Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a website by using Lovable AI, and I'm going to get the prompt from ChatGPT, you can see, and I'm going to copy this prompt for a portfolio website. So I'm going to copy this prompt and simply paste it into Lovable AI, and that can helps me to create a website without any coding. And then you can simply click enter, and you can see that it's already start building the website. And you can see that the portfolio is live, it features, and the features is showing over here. And now it's time to preview the website into the Lovable AI. And you can see right now into the right side, your website is built over here. You can see it's a really beautiful website. You can see you can click on the buttons, it really works. And if you click on the about section, services, project, contacts, get in touch, everything is rightly working. You can simply give your name, your email address, your subject and message, and send message to the location. So you can see that this is how we can simply create a website. Simply got prompt from ChatGPT into the Lovable AI. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.